Hey everyone, welcome to Throwing Rod's Garage. In today's video, we're going to be working on a hydraulic leak and servicing this Kubota L2900. Now this little Kubota here, it's a nice little tractor. I already got myself a little blanket here. Man, these Harbor Freight moving blankets are nice. Now, let's see. It is actually a steering hose that is leaking, which runs all the way up here. And sorry for the shaky camera. I'll have to remove this panel. But all the way up to the steering gear up here on the operator's side, and it's the right hose. There, we got the hose loose off the cylinder, not a big deal. I'm gonna take it off up there at the steering gear so we can let the hose drain while I remove all the little brackets that hold the hoses in place along the frame rails. There we have it, got the hose out. I'm just letting it drain before we go get a new one made. It was just routed through here, behind the fuel filter, back up, close to the pump, underneath this cowling, and up through this little hole here, connected to that fitting that's slowly dripping. But I tell you what, getting these lines loose, this tool right here, of course it's made in the good old US of A. It is a Williams brand. This is a ratcheting line wrench. Man, I tell you what, these can get into some tight spots. Definitely worth the tool worth having. All right, so before I leave to go get a new hose made, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the two drain plugs off this engine, let the engine oil drain, and get the oil filter number, and then head off to go grab the stuff to service the engine and get some new hydraulic oil along with a new hose made. All right, I'm back. I got a new belt. This other one was, yeah, not the best of shape. That little coolant hose that was up top, go around here. I've already slapped it on. It was pretty sweet and simple. Just two little hose clamps, nice little 90. And I got a new oil filter sitting up here, and the new hose is still in the back of the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this belt put on and get ready to start fishing in the new hose. Well, I got the new belt on, new hose clamps. There's that old hose, that coolant hose, and boy, it's chewed up quite a bit from mice or squirrels or whatever. There's the old hydraulic hose. All I have left to really do is just grease it. But I've already topped off the hydraulic fluid with the nice Kubota fluid, and it's filled up with a little eyelet. That's good. Coolant's full, oil's full, no leaks at the steering cylinder or at the steering box itself, or whatever you want to call it. But anyhow, it is all good to go. I just have to grease it, and they'll be able to get back at it, start tinkering around and working with this tractor again. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.